Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. English grade 8th. Unit 5th. In Unit 5th there is a grammar and grammar topics are related to verb. First of all we will discuss what is verb, helping verb, linking verb and different types. What is verb? A verb is a word or a combination of words that indicates the action or a state of being or condition. Okay, when we perform something, any action is called word. Not only action but state of being or condition is also called verb. Jacob walks, going, does not like, is, all these are verbs. Anna is a good girl. This shows the states. Okay, what is helping verb? Helping verb are the verbs that help the main verb in a sentence. Whenever we say that all the forms of be and have, do, they are the helping verbs. If we narrate the example, say she is going to Lahore and I do not write. All these are the helping verbs. Are, they are playing. Was, she was writing. And should, you should visit the doctor. Okay, must, you must follow the traffic rules. मीन्स के सेंटेंस में हम जिस जगह पे भी मेन वर्ब के साथ उसकी हेल्प करने वाले वर्ब जो यूज़ कर होते हैं वो एक वर्ब हो या दो हों या तीन हों, वो तमाम हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं विच आर हेल्पिंग द मेन वर्ब इन अ सेंटेंस. दे आर कॉल्ड ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स. ओके, लिंकिंग वर्ब. व्हाट आर लिंकिंग वर्ब? They do not show the action exactly, they do not perform the action, but they show what they describe. They describe and they used to rename. For example, Mera and Gina are best friends. Are here is the helping verb and used to describe. And Pat was injured in an accident. We can say that these are the linking verbs. They link a subject to the remaining part of the sentence, to the predicate or adjective or another noun in a sentence. They are subject. He is a monster. Here subject is he. The complement, subject complement is a monster. Is connecting the subject to the subject complement, so we can say that is a linking verb. In the second example, he looks stunning. Here the subject is he and stunning is adjective, and here the linking verb connecting the adjective to the subject. Next topic is modal verbs, which is related to verb. What are modal verbs? Here is a list of modal verbs: can, could, must, have, to, should, would, will, shall. These are all the helping verbs. Okay, these helping verbs, what is the function of they are all modal verbs. Sorry, what is the function of modal verbs? They describe the ability, inability. Okay, and we can say they can they are used for advising and for possibility, for permission, for prohibition, for different functioning. They can perform the different functions. Here can, we can use the can for ability, doubt, and astronomy, a polite request. Can I help you? Okay, and I can swim. Here I can swim. I can drive a car. This is show ability. And can I help you? This is for soft request. तो ये तमाम जो है वो लिस्ट आपके सामने जो है वो है कि कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब किस काम के लिए यूज़ होता है. नेक्स्ट इज इन्फिनेटिव. व्हाट इज़ इन्फिनेटिव? 2+ बेस फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड इन्फिनेटिव. All these topics are related to unit number 5 exercise. Okay, what are infinitives? 2+ base form is used for infinitive. An infinitive to show the purpose of an action. It is used to explain why an action is done. To has the same meaning in order to. ठीक है, I have to go to attend the meeting. I have to go to attend the meeting. मेन वर्ब के बाद जो है ये इन्फिनेटिव यूज़ होते हैं. और यहाँ पे जो है एक लिस्ट जो है, लंबी सी लिस्ट जो है वो दी गई है. मुख्तलिफ वर्ब्स हैं और उनको इन्फिनेटिव्स के तौर पे जो है वो यूज़ किया गया है सेंटेंसेस में. यू हैव टू राइट देम. ओके, very carefully read them out. और परफेक्ट मॉडल वर्ब्स यहाँ पे भी जो है वो इनके मतलब एग्जांपल्स जो हैं आपके पास गिवन हैं। इनको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इनको जस्ट आप रीड आउट करें नॉलेज जो है वो गेन करने के लिए। और आपने सॉल्व करनी है एक्सरसाइजेज विच आर रिलेटेड टू वर्ब, और तमाम टॉपिक्स आपकी यूनिट नंबर 5 में ये हैं। कुछ जो बुक पे करने की हैं वो बुक पे करें, और जो नीट कॉपी पे कर सकते हैं वो नीट कॉपी पे करें। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।